relationship between heat capacity at constant volume and internal energy. Molar heat capacity at constant volume, that is CV, is defined as the amount of heat required to raise the temperature of 1 mole of a gas by 1 Kelvin at constant volume. Since the heat capacity varies with temperature, CV can more correctly be defined as CV is equal to QV by dt, where QV is an infinitesimally small amount of heat absorbed by the system at constant volume to raise its temperature dt. CV or QV you already studied, that is heat at constant volume. Since QV is equal to delta E, that the derivation you already derived, equation number 7, then CV is equal to delta E by delta T at constant volume. CV is equal to differential equation dE by dt at constant volume. Thus, heat capacity at constant volume C may be defined as the rate of change of internal energy, that is dE, rate of change of internal energy with temperature at constant volume. This definition you should know what is meant by heat capacity at constant volume. Then heat capacity. The heat capacity of a system refers to its capacity to absorb heat or to store energy. It may be defined as follows: the quantity of heat required to raise the temperature of a system by 1 degree Celsius or 1 Kelvin is called heat capacity of the system. Define. Heat capacity is mentioned in your syllabus, therefore definition can be asked. Heat capacity is represented by C. If Q is the amount of heat required to raise the temperature of the system from T1 degree to T2 degree, the heat capacity C of the system can be given as C is equal to Q by T2 minus T1, that is Q by delta T. Equation number 1. Since heat capacity varies with temperature, it would be necessary to consider the value of C over a very narrow temperature range. Therefore, it would be more appropriate to define heat capacity in the form of a following differential equation, that is C is equal to Q by dt, equation number 2, where Q is very small amount of heat absorbed by the system to raise its temperature by dt. From this is the basic equation that we are determining the heat at constant volume and it heat at constant pressure. Now we are going to find out what is specific heat capacity. The specific heat capacity of a system is the amount of heat required to raise the temperature of unit mass of the substance, that is the system, by 1 degree Celsius or 1 Kelvin. Specific heat capacity is represented by small c. If the mass small m of the substance absorbs Q amount of the heat to raise its temperature from T1 to T2, the specific heat capacity small c of the substance is given by small c is equal to Q by m into T2 minus T1, which is equal to Q by m into delta T. Specific heat capacity is mentioned in the syllabus. Therefore, this equation is also important for fill in the blanks or choose the correct answer or even solving the problems. Since the heat capacity is a function of temperature, it would be more appropriate to express the above equation in the following form. That means in the differential equation form. C is equal to Q by m into dt. Now, next is heat capacity at constant pressure. We already determined heat capacity at constant volume. Now we are going to determine the heat capacity at constant pressure. The heat capacity at constant pressure is represented as Cp and is given by Cp is equal to Qp by dt. We already know that Cv is equal to Qv by dt. Therefore, where Qp is an infinitesimally small amount of heat absorbed by the system at constant pressure, to raise its temperature by dt, Cp is equal to Qp is equal to delta H. We derived that Qv is equal to delta E. Similarly, Qp is equal to delta H. Therefore, we can modify the equation and write Cp is equal to delta H by dt at constant pressure, or Cp is equal to differential equation dH by dt at constant pressure. Therefore, these are the values of Cp and Cv. The heat capacity at constant pressure may be defined as the rate of change of enthalpy dH, that is the change of enthalpy with the temperature at constant pressure. This is the representation of constant pressure. Study the derivation of heat capacity at constant volume and heat capacity at constant pressure and simple heat capacity.